Hi everybody, Cindy the Scrapologist. I'm back. I just made another video about an hour or so ago, but I am on a roll today. If you watched the previous video, you know that I did buy a big ephemera lot, and I don't have room for it, so I'm listing it in my shop at the Scrapologist shop at scrapologist.com, and it's Wednesday, August 7th. I didn't know how fast I was going to be able to get this stuff in my shop, but I'm kind of on a roll. So I did post the vintage newspapers, and now I have 5 ephemera lots that I'm putting in the shop for $18. That includes your postage, and I only have 5. So let me just give you an example. Every lot is going to be different, but there are a lot of similar items. There are about 22, 23 individual items in here, and they are all antiques, vintage, authentic ephemera. No printouts or replicas. You will get one vintage newspaper from the 1800s as well with your kit. So just to give you an example of what's in this kit, it's a mosh of stuff, just a lot of vintage ephemera. There's a bunch of these receipts from the early 1900s. This one's 1919. Everybody's getting 3 or 4 of these. Everybody is getting at least 3 vintage envelopes. They are used, they are torn, but they're all from the 1920s, 1930s. There might be some from the 1940s. This one actually went by stagecoach, I think. It says China Stage. So some of these are very old, and there's no stamp on this one. So, and then some other miscellaneous items. There are a lot of receipts and little business card type things. Here's a receipt from 1946. This is a dinner from 1912, but it's got this cool paper inside. Another little vintage birthday card with a postcard on the back. Another birthday card. Just little bits and pieces. How to Save the Hair by Annie Oakley. Little coupon for a toaster grill. I think every kit has one of these in it. I had several of those. Oops, let me fix my headset here. It keeps falling off. There are postcards in just about every one. Yeah, postcards in every kit, yes. This one has some old paper. An old playbill from 1924. Just some miscellaneous little things. And the envelopes. So like I said, there's about 23 items in each pack, plus the vintage newspaper from the 1800s. And these are available in my shop. I only have 5 right now. Okay, so head on over and grab them up. Thanks for watching. Bye.